Hello guys, I am Salman. Today I will share you how to make this logo. So let's get started. If you are a new visitor in my channel, please subscribe my channel. At first you have to open Adobe Illustrator. Here my Adobe Illustrator, and you have to go new and your file name. So here type logo 1 and artboard number 1, size A4 or letter as you wish, orientation landscape. So bleed area 0.125, color mode RGB, then OK. So today I will create a text logo. At first I am taking the texturing tool, stroke color 0 and fill color black. So I am just type B, a logo. For making a logo I am type B and some other text. Here I am type Bangladesh. So I have already take B. For this reason I remove my B from Bangladesh. So you can see that it's all Bangladesh, and this text color I will change and making green, text color green, and Bangladesh color red. So you can use rectangle tool. Here I am using my rectangle tool, and this is the selection tool of Adobe Illustrator. You are looking that, and I will input here my tagline. I have already typed my tagline. This is our motherland. My English pronunciation is very poor, so for this reason forgive me. I am trying my best. With this logo you can give a best artistic flavor with logo background. Fill color off, you should off the fill color, and stroke green. Stroke point, I am selecting my stroke point 2, and look at this. It's look like pretty cool logo. You can make your logo with this process. It's called texturing logo. So thank you friends.